In this video, I'll show you how to fix low memory on Roblox. If you find this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more useful tips and tricks. Fixing low memory on Roblox helps prevent crashes and lag, ensuring smoother gameplay. It can also improve performance by freeing up system resources for better graphics and processing. For this tutorial, I'm using an iPad. If your Roblox game keeps crashing during gameplay, pause the game and minimize the Roblox app on your device. Next, navigate to your device's settings. Once in the settings, locate and click on the General option. From there, you'll need to find and select iPad storage, or the equivalent option on your device. It may take a moment for the storage details to load. After the page loads, scroll through the list of apps and find Roblox. When you click on Roblox, you'll see an option called Offload App. This option will remove the app itself, but keep all your documents and data intact. Click on Offload App to proceed. Once you select that, the button will change to show Reinstall App. Right below this, you'll see a Delete App option. To completely remove the app from your device, click on Delete App. After the app is removed, go ahead and reinstall Roblox by going to the App Store. After the installation is complete, open the app by clicking Open. You'll be prompted to sign in. Enter your credentials, or if you prefer, use Face ID to log in. Once you're signed in, the home page will load and all your previous data will be updated and linked to your account automatically. Following these steps should resolve the issue, and the crashes should be gone, allowing you to enjoy Roblox without interruptions. If you like this video, make sure to subscribe for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.